back to Garden and Gossip. Today is the day. Plums is ready for picking.
These plants.
Yeah, so you want to try them before we pick them?
I'll try.
Okay. They're real dusty. Let me get a better one. This one. They're so dusty. So you really can't tell, but I can tell by how soft there is. This plum tree. So Mom, let's dust this off. Here.
Ooh.
Now dust it off. Look how red it turned.
Oh yeah.
It's covered in dust. And they're getting ripe. Okay. I can tell. Ooh. That's good. Even though this one is green. A little green, but it's still soft. See how this plum is. Just right. Let me try this one over here. How's yours?
It's sour.
It's sour?
I like it.
I want them juicy. Now this is more of a redder one with a little green, but they're ready because they're starting to fall because some of them are getting ripe and some are not. So I'm just gonna pick the tree. Okay. Now you can tell. The portion that's a little green means that it's just turning. We're gonna pick this tree. You ready, Mama? I don't want to lose not one plum.
I'm going to wash them.
I know. Why is it so dusty?
Why is it all dusty?
Oh my God, this is gonna be good. This one is gonna be so good. This is an apple.
No, that's not apple. That's fruit. Plants, they grow, they put water, and they grow up, and then they put in their plants, and then they grow. They call plants.
Move the bucket over here, Mama.
Bucket.
Pull it over here.
And
Pull it over here. I'm gonna help her. They fall, I'm picking them up. It's overcast today. Perfect time. Huge. Something back to this one. Reminder, this is a Costco fruit tree. I bought 2 from Costco.
not like them.
Put it in here.
They're going to be wet.
Throw it over there.
I hit that street.
Oh, it's so good. Let me get to work.
Mama, you can't get up there. You need a ladder.
Yeah. I'm gonna get the ladder in a minute.
Nana, it's super
Get that one.
high.
Get that one. That fell. Can I get the... Oh, you're supposed to be my helper.
That's not you.
Pick it up. Pick it up for me. Thank you. now put it in the bucket. It just fell off the tree.
I just did.
Thank you. If I drop one, you pick it up.
I'm looking in the pool. I'm looking.
You're not getting in the pool.
No, I'm looking in the pool.
Do you still see me? Still see me? Yeah. They're just right. I'll wait. More will be on the ground. I got a whole bucket full. And I ain't even got no ladder yet.
Mama, the ladder.
I know.
You need it.
I need it.
Yeah. I'm game for you.
Wait a second. We'll try to do everything as much as I can right here.
I mean, you like love the plants. Mama. Mama, say hi. Mama, they super high.
I know.
Mama, it's one up there.
I know, Mama.
You
I can't reach that.
Why? You like this that too. You pop-ons?
I gotta get all these plums. Are they
No,
gonna so bad?
no, you pop-on. It's tall.
I got a whole
Papa
bucket right here.
one. I want to play.
I know. So I think what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna leave the rest that's higher. Pick those tomorrow. Okay. Because I got this bucket.
Mama, why you leave my dollhouse here?
My husband wants to have a little fun up there picking too, so I'm gonna save some for him. All right. We got plums. Plums. Huh? What you gonna say? Say bye.
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 All she worried about is getting in the pool, and she ain't getting in the pool today. All right.
I'm going to go out
Follow
for my
for
nap.
more. Get you a fruit tree, a plum tree. We in a food crisis out here. We need all the fruit and vegetables we can grow in our backyard. So get